Episode 603, take one.
Can I use the restroom really quick?
Mama, you look beautiful.
Always, thank you very much. God gift.
Is being beautiful your greatest gift?
Yes, it is. Let me see, let me look at it again, make sure.
Her skin is amazing. That makeup, it doesn't move.
Yeah.
Hello, Hunnay!
Hello, honey!
I'm feeling very wild today because
You're touching my breast.
Sorry. First off, I would like to take a vote before we begin. Comment below. Do we like Mama Mai's necklace here or do we not?
There. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, you can spin around, blink, you know.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? It's terrible.
I love it so much. I'm
doesn't
ready
make-
to go travel. I'm gonna go Africa.
You're not traveling. We're doing an episode about staying home.
That's why I pretend I go travel. Make me feel better. You see my sock right now? I wear this one. I wear from the airplane.
These are the free socks that they give you on the airplane. She still has the socks. Anybody who actually wears those socks, you know they feel terrible. When is the last time you put your phone down at home?
Never. I will hold him.
You are the worst.
Yeah,
You
I
are-
am.
No, you guys. I want to do it.
What happened?
I want to do it.
What happened then?
Intervention with my mom because she's on the phone for at least 16
What's that?
16 hours.
What the hell are you
So
doing?
teach me how to do an intervention. So I want to figure out ways at home that you can entertain yourself, spend quality time, exercise your brain. Did you know that you can actually teach your brain to have better memory function? I don't know about everybody else out there, but there's this thing. It's called digital something, and you it erases your memory. No, it's real. It's called digital something, and people are getting it now. They forget things because you're so reliable. You're relying so heavily on digital.
What? Hey, surprise! And hit what? Hit the bell, whatever. Hit what? Verification? Hit what? Verification or what?
Mom, tell them to subscribe.
Just subscribe. We'll remind you every Thursday you're gonna have a Hello Honey show.
Do subscribe. Hit the subscription button.
Most Asian, I don't know why they don't subscribe. They watch a lot, but they don't subscribe.
Ooh, she's calling out
Yeah,
the Asians.
Asian.
How do you know that?
I know most of my fam in Houston, Asian, they watch it. I ask them, yeah, I watch it. I forget to subscribe. I forget. I don't know why. You better.
You take their
subscribe.
phone. Take their phone and subscribe for them, Mom.
Yes.
Please hit the subscribe button. That means everything to us. Okay. Just want to make sure I don't have camel toe. I mean, I have it, but we don't have to see it.
You know about that.
Yes, you do, Mario. Mario, this is your job. Look at here and here. Nipples. Okay, tell everybody where you got these blankets, Mom.
From Southwest Airline, American Airline, whatever. Why you put too many?
Why'd you steal so many?
I don't steal it. I just
Guys,
wanna make sure
these are just some of the blankets. You guys know when the plane lands, right? Some people applause, that's fine. And the thing goes ding, and then you get up and you start getting your bags. There's one woman who walks out like this. Goodbye, thank you so much, goodbye, and walks out with the blanket.
I don't steal it. I take it because I'm cold. Sometimes I forget to bring my sweater.
Do you wash them before you bring them home, Mom? Because that's covered with
No,
everybody
brand new. They're brand new from the bag.
I
You
don't
take
think
it
that
out.
bag is brand new.
No,
I don't.
they only
No.
wash it brand new.
They can just seal blankets and not wash them. Do you understand?
I can show you the one Jeannie. She used one of them, and then she sleep and then she get the nước miếng chảy ra là gì con?
Drool?
Yeah. I
We're
have.
not
I'm gonna show
showing
you.
that. We're not showing
Why?
that. Because we're not.
You wear the same blanket like this.
Let's move on. So Paul told me it's leap year. So because it's leap year, we have one extra day. Did you know we have one extra day this year, Mom?
Talking about February? Yeah.
think it's April.
February 28, but now we have one extra
Oh, you
February
knew
29.
this?
I know that. I'm surprised.
Did they teach you this in Vietnam?
No, we know about it on the time only 28. Now this year we have a 29.
I never knew. I've never paid attention to
When
it.
you pay the bill,
anyway,
you know.
Okay, so anyway, you have one extra day. Have you ever thought about dedicating that one extra day to a special person out there? You'll get all your things done in the 365 days that you were planning your whole year to think about your damn self. But one day, imagine what would happen if you actually dedicated that to somebody else. You could call that person, take them out for ice cream, take them out on a hike. What would you do with somebody that you could call to spend time with, Mom?
We go eat noodle.
Yeah, so who's somebody that you haven't called,
Haven't called.
Yeah, that you would want to spend the extra day with. Who would you want to spend time with?
They will call me all the time before I call them.
Who do you want to spend time with?
Dylan called me.
Oh yeah, Dylan, my cousin Dylan in Houston.
He called me. He said he want to come to visit me that day.
See?
Yeah.
So perfect. So my mom's gonna spend time with her nephew. I'm gonna spend time with
Gigi.
No, because he doesn't count. Because I get to spend time with him.
You don't count him?
No, because it should be somebody who doesn't always get to hear from you.
Just call me. If you have nobody.
You live with me. Through all the Hello Hunnay episodes, or if you're on my gram, suggest somebody that I should hang out with.
What about Naz?
Naz is a great person. Naz and Nadia are two great people that I actually would absolutely love to spend time with. They have a podcast, Ladies Like Us. It's called Ladies Like Us Podcast. Super thought-provoking and intelligent and fun.
If you stay home, you don't want to feel boring, you can cook the noodle soup, pho noodle soup, or beef stew, or anything to make the house smell good.
That's true.
You feel like you don't want to get out. You want to stay home and
wanna
smell all the time.
It smells homey.
Or like chicken curry. You smell all day.
What if you don't know how to make these dishes?
I will know how to make it.
I
You're
know,
the one don't know how. I'm the one know all the time.
Well, why don't you teach me so that I learn?
You never stay home. How can I teach you? You like a horse running around the house all the time.
Did you know, for anybody who's a Capricorn, Capricorns are always on the go. You should be happy that you have a Capricorn mom. That's why I work so hard and I actually go out there and I hustle, make money, honey.
And give it to me, thank you.
When is the last time you picked up some fresh, crisp pages and put down your thoughts? List your goals. Doodle your name.
Think about living trust. Right now for Mama Mai. In case you die, whatever, you don't give money to Mama Mai. You know what I mean?
Is that seriously what you're thinking about? For me to leave you money?
I don't ever think you die, but I'm trying to say just in case. You have nothing to do, live in trust, number one. Thinking about that first. And then you think about the book. You can
Why
read
would
it.
you have to think about my money when I'm still sitting here breathing right now?
Well, you never know what happened.
I guess one thing you can do then is to
Live in trust.
think about the money you're gonna leave your mom when you die.
When you stay home, you don't feel boring. Okay, Mama always use the gun, the glue, okay, create something nice and good.
You do
okay?
this.
You see the cup over here? All right, I have to put my name on it. You know what I mean? You see how the colorful? That's Mama Mai represent for. You can create yourself. How beautiful before, after, ta-da! Mama Mai. How beautiful. So they will remember your name all the time.
Who's they? It's only you in this house with me.
Mama Mai, you know what I mean?
Mom, how long did that take?
Take real fast.
This
you
is
know?
actually done very well.
Yeah, that's very beautiful.
Is this gonna last if you wash the cup?
Yeah, you wash the cup by hand. You don't wash the machine. I will use it when they have a friend come over, show off.
Do you think that maybe this second one you can actually make something nice for me?
No, I let you do it for yourself. If I do it for you, you're gonna be lazy. You have to create something.
When you are glue gunning these studs or any designs that you find at Michael's, let's say, and you put it on your cup, it actually becomes something really nice to focus on, and you don't worry about whatever else you have going on in your life. That's gonna be the number one way to get over that
Yes.
fool that broke your heart.
Creative and be patient. That's how it's work.
Speaking of paying attention, I've been waiting for this delectable moment. Here at the show, we are considered a family. One job that I asked my cameraman, who is sitting right behind this lens, his name is Mario. Mario, hi.
Hello.
So Mario's one job, besides pushing record, one job is to keep an eye on my foodpa. My foodpa sits right beneath my little belly button. Because of this camera angle, I get chopped right here. And Mario's one job is just to tell me when my foodpa is showing, so I can either pull my sweater down or adjust my pants so it's like hidden. The one day that I felt very self-conscious about it because I knew the jeans were too tight and I knew that I had eaten a big dinner, and I told Mario, please, would you please just make sure that you mind my foodpa? He's like, got it, Jeannie, absolutely. Even a couple times through the shoot, I said, Mario, do you see my foodpa? Is it showing? No, it's Jeannie, it's great.
I have to see it.
Fam, you can see here and tell me if I'm overreacting.
That's why you wear loose clothes like me.
I don't
Nobody
want to
see
look
it.
like a pillowcase. I want to. And by the way, we all have it. It's normal. I just don't need it highlighted.
So you don't do your good job home alone?
Why do you call him Home Alone?
Because he wear look like he's stealing something. Remember the Home Alone? The true thief come over the house? That's him.
I take a lot of pictures, you guys, so it's like...
Just make a food folder.
So the meantime you're waiting for her. Wait. Oh my God. You at home, okay? Go to my daughter closet, and then I see this one. I can steal it. I can't believe it. It's match. Blue. I like it so much. That's my daughter jewelry.
I found it. Are you ready?
Action.
Does this look bad?
Oh yeah.
I'm
Show them.
so embarrassed that this was on a YouTube episode, guys. Tell me that that's not the biggest fupa of life.
That was the day your jeans were curled. That's not a fupa.
That's my fupa pushing out the jeans. Is this a fupa?
I think it's the jeans buckle.
Yeah.
Is that a fupa?
I apologize.
Paul, is that a fupa?
Yes.
I'm telling you, American, they don't care.
Oh my god.
Look like you have two butterflies.
Oh my god!
Yeah, fight him.
I couldn't see it.
You had one job, Mario. I can't wait till your nuts are falling out. I'm not gonna tell you.
Not a big eyeball.
What does that have to do with anything?
Mấy người có big eyeball nó không có thấy gì hết trơn, có mắt bự gì nè mà nó không thấy gì hết. They don't see anything.
Do you know what a movie marathon is, Mom?
Running, jogging.
Okay, no. Pick a theme. It could be high school movies. It could be 80s romantic comedies. It could be scary movies. Then you just binge watch all the best movies from that genre.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
There's no fighting over what movies you want to watch. It just kind of plays in the background. If you decide to go cook pho or bedazzle your cup, you can watch the movie in the background and have that nostalgic feel of how good it was when Freddy Krueger was Freddy Krueger.
Now, action. Okay, the next step, you guys, okay, you have nothing to do, you can do something like your hand, mask, foot mask, and then face mask.
Yeah.
You can do everything.
To hydrate your face, hydrate your hands, erase fine lines and wrinkles while you're just chilling like a villain.
Yes, when you're doing that, you put it on, I bought a $1 store. I don't guarantee what happened to you. Try it. You see my skin better than your skin. And I'm 60 years old. $1 store should pay for me.
When is the last time, you millennials might not know about this, more Gen X? What's the people behind millennials? I'm a boomer. Okay, so when's the last time you went through your old photos? When you had no money and you were lining your eyes with Wet and Wild,
Look at her.
doing things like this? What was I doing? Who does that?
This one.
Mom!
Why embarrassed? You're a teenage.
That's terrible. Oh my god. I was like, ah! It's terrible. Letters from my crushes, even notes inside of the envelope because they loved me so much. And be so thankful that your eyebrows grew back.
Or you can do a karaoke party. Only me and her or somebody else.
Another great idea that Paul had, you take 20 spaghetti noodles that are uncooked, you wrap it with a yard of yarn, black or any tape, and you also get some marshmallows. And the goal is to, what?
What we're gonna do?
You use the tape, the rope, and the spaghetti to build something and see who can get the marshmallow taller than the other person in 18 minutes.
Oh, okay, where's the marshmallow? Open it.
What do you use the yarn for?
You figure it out.
I mean, like, I'm doing it, but I really don't want to.
I know you don't. That's why it's fun.
Don't worry.
Oh. Wait, you can use
Don't
marshmallows?
copy.
You can use
My
marshmallows
God, don't
to
look
stick
your eye and copy.
You can use marshmallows to stick it together?
I can do it like
It's one marshmallow.
One marshmallow only?
Just one. You're trying to get the spaghetti to be standing on its own and the marshmallow on top.
I misunderstand English. What the hell? Who care?
Who are these kids that do this?
Smart kids that are going to change the world.
Okay.
It's taking off my nail polish.
I know.
So it has to stand entirely on its own.
Oh my goodness. Don't worry.
How do you make it stay up?
Move your hand and use your brain.
Man.
Don't worry. Okay? Put that in here.
This is such a waste of my brain.
Let me see. Oh my gosh.
I won.
That's all.
Let's see yours. You have to make it stand up on its own, Mom.
I will.
Mine is so good and so simple and easy.
Let me see. Wait. Who got an idea like that? There.
I won.
Looks so good.
The marshmallow has to be on top.
Oh.
Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, comment below where we should burn this necklace, and thank you so much for watching. Hello, Hunnay!
Hello, honey.
Be safe out there, take care of each other.
That's a stupid American game.